Our first treat today is going to be a delicious date chia seed pudding. Few simple ingredients, soak them for a couple of hours. Better if you soak overnight. Let's get going.
Start with 1 banana, put it in the cup, 6 Medjool dates, sliced in half. Make sure to remove the pits. Cut them up. You don't need a fine dice, but run a knife through them again. Put them in your cup. I come in with a half a cup of Greek yogurt. I like Chobani. You can use whatever you like. A tablespoon of almond butter, a half a cup of chia seeds, a half a cup of oat milk, blend that right up. Love this individual blender. Makes things a lot easier. I'm gonna slice up some of my bananas that I have set aside. I'm gonna use a mason jar here. I love working with mason jars. I'm gonna layer the bottom with some of the banana slices. All right, nicely blended. Pour that right over. Oh my God, that looks so creamy and delicious. You can make these in individual smaller sizes too. Little chia seed on top, mix that in. Now these are really best left overnight. Take a couple of slices of that banana. Get it all on there. And of course, finish it off with more delicious Medjool dates. These are honestly not just delicious and sweet, but so good for you. Oop, there we go. Look at that. In the fridge it goes. Catch you tomorrow. Love TV time.
So my date chia pudding has been sitting in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and I can't wait to try it. Sweet, delicious, nutritious. Going in for a second bite. Yum, and those dates, love it.
For this recipe and more, go to unitedwithearth.com.